Hello, I'm Dr. Frank Granito, Chief Scientist with the Institute for Digital Transformation, and welcome to the Institute Fellow Spotlight. Institute Fellows are industry experts who share their insights, opinions, research, and real-life experiences about the transition from the industrial era to the digital era. Today, we shine the spotlight on Hans Gillior. Welcome, Hans, all the way from Sweden. How are you?
Greetings, Frank, and thank you so much for inviting me all the way from Europe here.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to have you. So tell us what you're doing and why that interests our viewers.
Thank you, Frank. So what I'm doing is that I'm a coach, advisor, and analysis in the field of digital transformation, and in parallel to helping and supporting clients with the digital transformation ambitions, I try to understand the nature and the mechanics of digital transformation, what it actually means, and what are the concrete challenges, and why some companies and organizations are more successful than others. I've been doing it for more than 10 years, and the funny thing is that the more I dig into this topic, the more complex it actually gets. I remember when I started 10 years ago, Gartner had a report out and it talked very much about the nexus of forces. This was about mobility and analytics. And so much has happened during this 10 years time. And now we see digital transformation as something completely different, which I think is quite interesting. And I must add here that the Institute standards that will be released soon, I think is one of the best summaries of what the digital transfer actually is and how it actually is working. So why is this interesting? Well, 70% of all transformation projects fail, and today there's enormous impact on business competitiveness. It's not something that you can do for fun and fail. It's something that has impact on the whole performance of your company and being a risk of being phased out of the market. So by understanding the nature and why some are more the key success factors of this, I can probably give a little bit better advice and a little bit better coaching and pushing the right buttons for doing a more successful transformation in a sense. For example, digital transformation is not about technology, but rather, for example, about how we use our digital assets or data to deliver more customer experience and value. Mm-hmm. So that's more what I'm doing, trying to understand what it actually means to be a better advisor and coach.
Thank you. Yeah, we really look to the customer experience and culture as the heart of digital transformation. So that's really, really cool. So what attracted you to the Institute Fellows program?
That's a wonderful question. I mean, first of all, I think the Institute is a fantastic organization with bright minds that are driving opinion, thought leadership, and also, the standards of digital transformation based on, real life experience. And that's what attracted me in the beginning to be part of these discussions and be part of this atmosphere of bouncing ideas and thoughts around with this team of experts. Because many consultants I meet out there that are experts in digital transformation lack the depth and experience and dedication that the Institute Fellows carry. So I'm very much proud to be part of the fellowship program and helping to contribute to that and to what digital transformation actually is and how it works.
Yeah, our monthly fellows meeting is one of those really great clearinghouses of banter and knowledge, and it's just really cool. I just love hosting those things because usually I'm the dumbest guy in the room when we do that, and I really appreciate that. So, what's the one piece of advice you would give to folks undergoing a transformation?
That's also a very, very good question and a very complex question as well. If I would pinpoint one advice I would give them is for the management team to have a common answer to why digital transformation is important and why they need to start a journey now. what are the sort of drivers that is affecting the business and forcing them to react to this, and getting that in sort of common view, so they have the same awareness and understanding of why they're doing this journey. What is happening in the industry, and what is required for us to succeed in this, in terms of engagement, the financial parts, but also in terms of how our leadership needs to be evolved and developed to actually meet these new challenges. So I see often that there's a misalignment in the management team, where they have different views and perspectives why this is important, and that is one of, I think, the main obstacles for success. So I think my advice would be, answer the question why. Why is this important, and how can we contribute to the success?
Yeah, that's really interesting. That goes back to kind of what the Institute goes by. We say, why this, why now? And also back to the Cotter model of change, creating a sense of urgency. So that's really cool advice. I appreciate that. And well, thank you, Hans, for letting us shine the spotlight on you today. But unfortunately, that's all we have time for.
Thank you so much, Frank, and you're welcome. And I hope to see you more in the Institute for Digital Transformation.
Excellent, excellent. So thank you again, Hans. So join us again when we shine the spotlight on another Institute Fellow. I'm Frank Renito. See you next time on Institute Fellow Spotlight.